You think you are overthinking, but the truth is you are not overthinking. Your mind is making you overthink. At night, when everything is silent, thoughts suddenly start appearing. What went wrong yesterday? What will happen in the future? What others are thinking about you? Your body is tired, but your mind does not stop. This does not happen only to you. Almost everyone experiences this. But the real question is, why does this happen? Why does one simple thought turn into a mental storm? To understand this, we need to understand the mind itself. Because the problem is not the thoughts, the problem is how they are processed. Brain as a prediction machine. Your brain is a prediction machine. It constantly tries to guess the future. Its main job is to keep you safe. In the past, when humans lived in dangerous environments, threats were real. So the brain learned to imagine worst-case scenarios to keep you prepared. The problem is that today, the danger is not the same, but the brain is still using that old system. That is why it turns small situations into big problems. For example, if someone does not reply, your brain quickly creates a negative story. It is not trying to hurt you, it is trying to protect you, just in the wrong way. Identity attachment. This is where the deepest problem begins. You do not just observe your thoughts, you start believing them. A thought appears that you might fail, and you turn it into your identity, that you are a failure. A thought appears that people are judging you, and you believe that people do not like you. A temporary thought becomes a permanent belief. This is where overthinking becomes stronger. If you simply observed your thoughts, they would come and go. But instead, you hold on to them, and that creates the loop. Part 4. Emotional backlog. There is a hidden reason behind overthinking that most people ignore. It is unprocessed emotions. What you do not feel, you start thinking about. If you are sad, but you do not accept that feeling, your brain converts it into thoughts. Then you keep thinking about the same thing again and again. That is why overthinking increases when you are emotional. It is a signal from your mind that something inside you has not been processed. Until you allow yourself to feel those emotions, the thought loop will continue. Default mode network. You may notice that overthinking happens the most when you are free. This is because of a system in your brain called the default mode network. It becomes active when you are not focused on any task. In this state, your brain moves between the past and the future. It analyzes, compares, and creates unnecessary thoughts. That is why overthinking peaks at night or during idle time. It is a natural process, but without awareness, it becomes overwhelming. Part 7. The real problem. Now connect everything. The brain is predicting the future, you are attaching your identity to thoughts, emotions are being suppressed, and you are stuck in a loop trying to feel in control. All of this together creates overthinking. So the real problem is not overthinking itself. The real problem is lack of awareness and attachment to thoughts. Until you understand this, the cycle will continue. Real solution and ending. The solution is simple, but powerful. First, build awareness. When a thought appears, recognize that it is just a thought. Second, create distance from your thoughts. Do not react to everything. Third, take action. Thinking alone does not change anything. Even a small step matters. And most importantly, allow yourself to feel your emotions instead of ignoring them. Remember, your mind is not your enemy. It is trying to protect you. But not every warning is true. The moment you understand this, overthinking will stop controlling you.